Swords and knife making is dying craft in Manipur, with only few people still practicing this craft. Manipur has a long history of producing and crafting its own daily objects and tools. However, with time, those locally produced tools and objects have become less popular. Amid this concern, young blacksmith Loya Kumancha serves as a beacon of hope as he tries to preserve the craft of sword and knife making. SKTV News Chief Reporter Khetrimim Premchand brings you a special report.
Manipur has existed for thousands of years and has witnessed the reign of many kings. But how this erstwhile kingdom defended itself from enemies for years? The answer lies in its ability to forge iron and metal into weapons including sword, knives, spear and arrowhead, and further through its ability to utilize these weapons with indigenous martial arts skills like THANG, horse riding and other combat skills. With the advancement of weaponry, the relevance of these swords and other war blades have lost popularity. We get to hear about them in folklore and stories, with only few of skilled craftsmen still making these sharp objects. But all is not lost, as Loya Kumancha of Wangkai Thangjam Laikai makes a desperate effort to revive the skill of sword and knife making.
Sigi simpamje mut kidra haibagi mi paibu leba tam ju mutharak paiba tare thangjam sagai na thang sarambaje thangjam sagai je lairang pandaba mayam leire bako asiju matung inna amasung hingbagi senthok lambi da ju adum kanaba piba amasung akoigi leiriba khusu khulai amasung thangta leiriba khulai sing ariba sing se sumaina yokhat pa pamjabagi matung inna aina amuk sana hongna na mayam mamang uthuk sarak pane ba sabagi simpamje ani hinganing ba haiba tare maru oiba thang sing asang ba lanthang gumba khoi pena sajing na jingba khoi maitai gi oiba pot sing sida hena focus oina aina tawjaraga sajei bako thang je khoi lanthang ji da makhal ahum mari thongna leirani bako adegi magi mi dugi matungina nap ta sabane aduga khoi maru oiba arambai haibje tholamina sinabu khulai mu oidoine ta ji ju dum maru oi landadi khoi lanthang ji da Laise mirak thang haiba mi marak ta changnaba thang lapna sinanaba thang makhala changba khumite na khwang bok loba khud mi dugi wang ma nemadu matungina thang ji masam sa gi oina sanai ba ko amai le duga inak ta changjala kanda ne nakthin ga nakshala thinnaba moina japel lom da phawriba ko gi tanto ga na haiba je asugum ne ba ko gi ju leijari ne ba leiri pose dum hena machu tana hajiki generation ji da masak phajana mu puthokwa ma thokta mayam da khangan ba ma
Variety of swords, knives have been assigned for different purposes and work. Swords, spears, arrows during wartime, while other blades for daily use, be it for chopping wood or chopping vegetables, we have different knives assigned to the work. Among the indigenous knives, Manipur has Thangjo, Haijrang, Takhil Thang and Kamti. Loya says Thangjo itself has sub-varieties.
Thangjo si koi lori da season na basina lori thangjo haina khangnei aduga akoi gi hingkhol yum gi hingkhol da sin na ba thangjo jina hingkhol thangjo haina khangnei magi pikpa chawba kitang khenar kani aduga akoi gi sagul thangjo haina sagul tauna ba thang haidana sagul thang na ma sulai sagul thang haiba thangjo si maton gi sarukta kitang mayam thangjo leiri ba step site kitang khene kamthi haije akoi gi thang maton ka aga mana pai ga dabugi matung ina different kitang di khenar ne ba sina uwa yan bagi oina yamba dugum sina ba mafam sina bam oidoi takel thang je dum akoi gi yum gi sina ba ya ba thang yum gi sanga semba masa pitharak pane ba kitang sorry mayam sina je sakum hijrang an di chin da dim pa iba aduga hojiki masak sidi hijrang gi masak na te ba hijrang gi masak sidi top top na tonga le ba ko akoi gi luhong ba kan da kuja ya ba da thang ma khak yauri happy ba ko adugi thang masak tu ne ba hijrang haije aduga lagi matam la kan di chang da ya da ne mai masak to thauba thauda ba mayamna hapna re aduga kaman loina khoina yamna yokhat ke har ga di khoi ju dugi poto phajana sengna aphabana saraga adwaina puthok pa do pam ba di le adu khoi mut khidana ba haitar ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯧꯏ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯄꯥꯝ ꯌꯣꯝꯄꯥꯛ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝ ꯆꯟꯕꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯗꯕ ꯌꯣꯝꯄꯥꯛꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡꯕꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯄꯣꯛꯄ ꯁꯤꯕꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯃꯈꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯡꯖꯪ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯔꯝꯃꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯇꯥꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯆꯩꯁꯨꯒꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ.
History associated with Katana sword of samurai, Nepali kukri have been recorded and are well aware by people across the world. Similarly, knives and swords which were used in Manipur needs to be recorded along with their historical timeline and purpose assigned to them. History of Manipur can be retold to the world through these swords and knives which has lived through ages.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯪꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯡꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯇꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯪꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯡ ꯁꯥꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯊꯥꯡ ꯁꯥꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯠꯄꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯥꯡ ꯁꯥꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯡ ꯃꯈꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯃꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯎꯠꯂꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯦꯡꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ
Swords and various types of knives have long been the primary weapons of our ancestors, kings, and our soldiers. There are different types of knives and swords in Manipur, which can be used for military purposes, agriculture, households, and other practical purposes. So the concerned authority, the relative department, should take up steps to promote and preserve these traditional, our ancestral weapons and tools, so that we can showcase our product, our unique knives and swords to the world, which is in use since our ancient times. With camera person Roshan Nachangthem, this is SKTV Premchan reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.